If them a ball, let run them, make them come. If them a soup, yes, run them, make them come. If them a dreadlocks, run them, make them come. Run them, make them come. Because building block, we are the building block. The Jamaica come back on the building block. We tell the building block, we are the building block. The Jamaica come back on the building block.
Alright, today we have some updates on who? The original, front teeth, gold teeth, blue tooth, Don Gorgon, Ninjaman. Yeah, surprisingly, there has been an update on his case from the 28th of March. And I missed it. How it came to my attention is all by coincidence. Me tell about the universe. Of course, you know, me always a post Ninjaman. So I did post a Ninjaman video. And one of my fellow YouTube, Pari, you can go check out him channel. He posts Ninjaman videos and mostly old school dancehall. You guys gonna love it. 2ILL4TV. Me gonna put it here or here. And the link is gonna be in the description. So go check it out. So I posted a video and he commented on it. I say, yo, a couple months now where I say free Ninjaman. He been saying it for a long time, you know. And me I say, yo, a long time he no comment on any of my video. Where universe tell me? The universe was saying, go and go check for Ninjaman update. And we have it here, courtesy of the Jamaica Observer. And the headline reads, Ninjaman returns to court on June 2nd to press appeal of murder conviction. June 2nd. Aye, boy. And the article follows. Incarcerated dancehall star Ninjaman will return to the home circuit court on June 2nd as his legal team presses ahead with the appeal of his murder conviction. Attorney at law Robert Fletcher confirmed that the Border Clash DJ will return to court but did not reveal any details about the strategy of the legal team. Smart. The team is going through a transcript now and noting the discrepancies and conflicting testimonies so that they can mount a formidable defense, a source told Observer Online. Ninjaman's murder appeal was impacted negatively by the sudden illness and death of his attorney-at-law Valerie Nita Robertson, the 71-year-old powerhouse who was spearheading his appeal. Robertson fell ill last October and passed away peacefully on February 25th this year, surrounded by her family. You know, the last update I did was around September, and it was of her giving information stating that his appeal will be this year, and then when I hear nothing more. My gosh, rest in peace, Miss Valerie Nita Robertson. Good lady. That's sad. Anyways, we're going to take not a commercial break or a break for our sponsors. No, we're going to take a video break. So enjoy the video and then we're going to forward back.
Supercat cannot stand up nowhere near me for no state seminar war. I have to come friendly or just we had perform together. But if him say war is one thing I have to tell you. I'm a revolutionary. Ninjaman is legendary. Anything will taste me berry. Who don't understand me looking at your dictionary. Hey boy, I'm a revolutionary. People say me legendary. Anything will taste me berry. Who don't understand me looking at your dictionary. Tell Supercat this. Say anytime we put it on, and no Gucci and no Louis Vuitton. This is something make your body full of corn. And make your paper one a Roger Clark farm. And that a go on anytime we put it on. And no Clarks and no Louis Vuitton. This is something make your body full of corn. And make your paper one a Roger Clark farm. Make me tell you, say the boy go fi gun. So me go fi mine. Say them a go dopey me a must inna you mind. Me as a blow storm like a Tigeri 9. Everybody disappear like imaginary line. No walk where me walk. Ninjaman black and ugly and dark. Teddy chopper down to Waltham Park. When they walk yellow tape and crowd up and chalk. News flash broadcast. Hoy, anytime me put it on. And no Clarks and no Louis Vuitton. You remember that you hear? Dead like a five on a smarty fall. Welcome
back. Let's continue. In a letter penned from his prison cell, Ninjaman said that Nita Robertson passing has left him heartbroken. How did I miss that letter? What? I'm not doing a good job. My subscribers, my apology. In December of last year, we were scheduled for a hearing. 2 weeks before the hearing, I was surprised to find out she had fallen ill. Next, she was gone. I'm heartbroken because not only have I lost a great lawyer, a friend, but we all lost a phenomenal woman. A woman whose legacy will continue to live in those who were inspired by her greatness, Ninjaman wrote. Nita Robertson had intended to challenge the DJ's murder conviction on the grounds that he did not receive a fair trial, which is a constitutional entitlement of every citizen. In an interview years ago, Nita Robertson had pointed to the length of delays in the case, which had seen 17 trial dates and 23 mentions before the actual trial. What? It continues, it is alleged that on the day in question, in March 2009, the now deceased Ricardo Johnson was sweeping his yard in the company of a friend on Mall Road, St. Andrew, when a motor car with 3 men aboard drove up. And here we are. We're going to take another, not commercial break, but our next video break so we can, enjoy some Ninjaman antics.
Insult them, insult them and put them in a problem. Let me move from here, move from here. Tell them, move from here, move. Me no one. Archival done. The Ninjaman. Now look, move from here, move from here. Tell them, move from here, move from here. Tell them. You see a bad man standing over there. Why you about to be f***ing this ear? Run the boy, tell him move. Move from here, move from here. Tell the f***ing move from here. Because month and I hear that. Here, hold on. Chama. Bump, 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 bump. Me no one. Archival done. Now look. Let them move up with them, get from the cotton. With them, get me from the cotton. Stop with them, get me from the cotton. Brother with them, get me from the cotton. Say under me, no me not stop, no. Say under me, no me not, no what is say under. Hold on. Goodbye.
Enjoy the one day. Alright. We're gonna continue now. The car pull up. The deceased person's home, and men were in it. Now we're gonna continue. An argument developed between Johnson's friend and the men who left but later returned with guns blazing. Johnson was fatally shot in the incident. Ninjaman turned himself into the police shortly after the incident upon hearing that he was being sought as a person of interest in the case. The trial involved 7 witnesses, including one who testified that a group of men, led by Ninjaman, entered a yard on the day in question. It was further alleged that the DJ fired 2 shots at the witness and he had to flee the premises. The length of the delay deprived him of his alibi witnesses, and that would have made a great defense. Instead, we had to challenge the credibility of the prosecution witnesses without being able to produce witnesses to substantiate Ninjaman's argument that he was in Mandeville at the time of the shooting, Nita Robertson had said at the time. Nita Robertson also believed that Ninjaman's fame and past reputation weighed heavily on the decision by the 7-member jury. The Crown relied heavily on the concept of common design to infer that the three convicted men were acting together in a common design, which was aimed at using the guns to cause grievous bodily harm to Johnson. Listen, me and a liar, so me not understand that. If anybody who a liar come across the video, please explain common design. Continuing. The Don Gorgon was convicted and sentenced to life in prison in November 2017 for the murder of Johnson. He was convicted along with his son, Jamaica Ballentine, and Dennis Clayton. He was sentenced to serve at least 25 years in prison before being eligible for parole. Ninjaman is one of the greatest living masters of lyrical clash. He is known for songs such as Permit to Bury, Free Food Ticket, Ninja Me Ninja, Murder Them, Border Clash. In a competition we got, Bad Boy No Cub Scout, Church Heathen featuring Shaggy, and Do It featuring Specialist, and amongst many other songs. And this article was written by Claude Mills. Thank you, Claude Mills, for your update. And before conclusion, we're gonna watch our next video break of Ninjaman.
You know, say, yeah, I hear them talk about I man a walk up and down with be wanted, man. You know, say, when Princeton police find out that wrong, they never daily they hand the Dan Gargan, but the other night, I man go down to Westmoreland. Babylon back on and but I man him lucky me the length, I man M1 as a liquor shot and pop off him, man. They tell him not this, that.
So I hope you guys I don't know if it's enjoy the update. It's a positive update. June 2nd, you know, we not deal with the number there, will be the first hearing in his appeal, so hopefully it will go well. And on a positive note as well, Vice Cartel got freed last year. Movada's son got freed on appeal, so let's hope and pray for Ninja. According to Ninjaman's lawyer, who passed away, rest in peace to her, because of the delays, his alibi witnesses were not available to provide him a proper alibi to say that he was in Mandeville when the crime occurred. So hopefully all of these stuff will be reviewed, and Ninja will get a fair trial, so to speak, or a fair appeal, and all goes well. He should be back home soon. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching me ramble. Also, remember to go subscribe to the channel here. If you rate Ninjaman, if you love Ninjaman music, if you rate dancehall, old school dancehall, him have the best old school dancehall videos, the best Ninjaman videos. You wanna like for me videos? Go and go check out his 2ILL4TV. Like a video, share the video for me, subscribe, click the notification bell, leave a comment. Remember, me and YouTuber fight just like how Ninja a fight against the system. Stay safe. God bless.
Well, now you've been in the music business for over 20 years, right? And plenty of bad boy DJs, you know, come around and them
plenty of bad boy DJ, man. Bad boy, man. Them man no bad boy DJ, man. You set a chatty mouth pally, man. Bad boy, man.
For real, because I mean, you start out with
a bad man. Those who like bad man, and me a bad man. Me don't know no more bad man. We're a bad mouth, man.
A bad mouth, man.
But I don't know nothing more badness for a bad one, man.